Hey, Dave at Mike's Off-Road. Welcome to the summer of bumpers. I'd like to take you through our shop right now. We got some vehicles out here. We're putting some bumpers on. So the first one we got here is a Toyota Tundra with the Summit bumper, which is an ARB bumper. Probably the best bumper you can put on a Toyota because the way it's designed with the fit and finish, the strength of the bumper. This really complements the BP51 suspension system that we also put on it this week, which has the coilovers, which have the remote resis. They're completely adjustable, and it also has remote resis on the rear and complete leaf spring packs on the rear as well. Probably the best suspension system that you can put on a Toyota, whether it's a Tacoma, Tundra, FJ Cruiser, any of the Toyota products that are out there. This kit is just phenomenal. They give you a great ride. They work really well off-road. They're completely adjustable, and you combine that with the ultimate bumper out there right now for a Toyota, you can't go wrong. That's what we got going on for this particular rig, and then as we walk through our shop here, I've got a really nice clean little TJ here. We put this bumper on earlier. Now we're getting ready to do the rear bumper, matching bumper that has a tire swinger on the rear with a high lift mount. Really super clean little Jeep. He just wants to put some bumpers on, accessorize it, get ready for hunting season, believe it or not. And then as we move through the shop here, I've got a brand new 2021 4Runner that is getting the same bumper that is on that. It's a Summit bumper, which means on this particular one, all this gets cut off. Pretty nice to cut up a brand new vehicle, just put something nice on there, but there's so much plastic on the front of these in this area, running into deer and whatnot. It's really nice to have something up there that's gonna give you some good protection, get you home if you do smoke a deer or something, and it saves the front end of the vehicle and the frames on these trucks. It works really well. Behind us here, we've got another Toyota. It's a Tacoma, and this one is getting a Fab 4 Matrix bumper. And as all bumpers on Toyotas, you have to take the whole front of the vehicle apart, pull everything apart, because you have to cut and trim everything to get these bumpers to fit properly. As you can see, they do have pretty decent brackets. A little bit different than the ARB. On the ARBs, you actually cut the frame horns off and build more structure into it than you would with the Matrix. Matrix are a lot less expensive, clean looking, not as heavy duty, but they really enhance the looks of the vehicles really nice, and they work out really well. So that's our bumper job we got going. And then it is race season. If anybody hasn't seen, Mike did have a pretty good tumble on his other Pro 2 truck, so we are getting out the new Pro 2 truck. We're getting ready to dyno it, get it ready for our September 11th race down in Billings. If you guys want to see a good show and you want to see a real fast truck, once we get this thing dynoed, we get there September 11th, it's going to be awesome. I'm pretty excited about that. Been working on that thing for years with Mike, and it's a super fast truck, and I can't wait to see it out on the track. It is the summer of bumpers. I've got these bumpers here, and I still got 10 more to put on sitting in your storage. Come see us at Mike's Off-Road. We are obviously your bumper expert, so have fun, have a great summer, and see you at the racetrack.